Hey Shelly, when you log into your back office and go into virtual, under here where it has, hold on, oh, right here where it's under your subscriptions, you can manage your website where you can end up changing. Hold on, where's website? Sorry, I haven't been in here in a minute, but trying to have you update your under profile. Under your profile, you go to my website, and here is where you can personalize your website. So you could go in and under here, like this is what will be under your my31.com / and I did Styles by Sue instead of having the numbers. It makes it easy. So that's just something to consider. Okay. All right, girlfriend.